Good afternoon, everybody. 12:24 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 10/6/2019. It's on a Sunday. We are going to be giving out the Dow Jones 2019 to 2024. And I would encourage that you read the report very carefully. What we have here is a 10-year chart on the Dow Jones and their monthly candles. We are currently up here at the very high on a double top in the index. Yes, last week was a big week and all kinds of volatility and everything else. We are issuing the severe market warning that I have ever issued, and this is very true. And you can also get the rest of the report. What I'm going to be talking about is a 60-month roller coaster ride through hell. And basically, it's all going to come to an end. And we are putting everything about where our government is, everything about where the 10-year economic cycle is, and everything that you need to know to protect yourself, and what will happen in other world markets, and how their slowdowners already came into play. So, what we really want to do is what happens to U.S. government, treasury bills, bonds, and notes won't be worth the paper they're printed on. The bottom line is that our government, our economy, and our society are living on borrowed time. It will come crushing down, and it will. The government, equally separate to survive, will declare on its citizens. Privacy will be a thing of the past. Washington spies will be everywhere. Revenue agents will receive, or we can use this word, seize, citizens' savings, homes, and private property at the slightest hint from you to what they're doing, then you will be flagged and whatnot. The Great Debt Collapse, the supercycle, brings with us a certain debt problem. And we have more debt than what the money has in the whole world. And it's truly here in the report. This report is based on 2019 through 2024. And Europe, Japan, ultimately right here, and the United States. They've already started what I'm talking about. This is you know, this is basically is what's going to happen, what's going to really happen over the next few years. And government amassed a 275 trillion in debts and obligation is ending. Even now, investors are reading the handwriting on the wall. The government debt is too massive. It can never be repaid. It would be financial suicide for them to continue loading their money up to try to stimulate where they ran out of bullets. It's a 10-year chart, and it's something that everybody, if you want to get the full report, we have the full report. But we can also say within the supercycle investments, there are going to be some places that are going to pay over 500% available now, and they will. And just remember, everything that's in this report and all the losers that's going to happen, and you're here with us over the next several years, you're going to be the millionaire, and the millionaires who were are going to lose all their money, and you get to take possession of it. So basically, we have a double top on the Dow. Dow had a lot of turmoil last week, up, down, headlines, you name it. But what we're saying is that we do have a massive top that is getting put in along with the volatility worldwide. Stay tuned. Sign up for the free 5-day trial, 702-685-0772. And not only that, stay tuned if you want our economic view of markets. It's the same thing that they did in 1999. It's the same thing that they did in year 2007. And the outcome goes back 10 years ago. But this 10-year period is going to be getting weaker and weaker as we move forward, and there will be a lengthy process. However, you know right now of what to expect, and it will be that way. Sign up for the rest of the report.